Hello my friends and welcome to today's YouTube video. This type of video is one of my absolute favorites because we get to release and show you guys our newest kit. We design a kit every month for you guys and we absolutely love doing it, and it's so fun to come up with new themes for you guys to play with. So we are going to show you the June kit for 2025 and it is called Rosewood Estate. Get ready for a super fun month and we hope you love it as much as we do. Before we get into the kit, I do want to let you guys know that if you end up wanting this collection, then there are two main ways that you can get it. The first one is to become a subscriber. We have a subscription platform for those who want to save money, and you can also just purchase the kit with no subscription on our Etsy shop. I will have everything linked in the description of this video, or you can just search up Pink Monarch Prints. And finally, one extra thing that we do is we like to offer a lot of inspirational tutorials using items from the kit. We have a Facebook group where the community posts what they've made and more ideas on our other social media platforms. Again, everything is linked in the description of this video. Without further ado, here is the June 2025 kit. It is called Rosewood Estate and it is full of these deep yet bright colors, flowers, strawberries, birds, everything beautiful. So we're going to start by taking a look at the papers in this kit. One of the staples that we include in every single kit we make is a pack of papers so that you have freedom to do whatever you want, and so many of the beautiful coordinating options of these colors and patterns, and it's just perfect. I will say one of the reasons I named this kit Rosewood Estate, is because some of these paper patterns look like those vintage grungy wallpapers from like older homes, and I loved that. And now we're going to keep chugging right through this video and show you guys more of what is included in this kit. So we're going to take a look at some of the pocket type pages. There's such a big variety and no end of ideas coming to mind for me. When I see these, I'm going to stack them, and I'm going to create some really beautiful pages with these gorgeous pockets. And next we have one of my favorite parts of the kit, which are just the smaller tidbit pieces. For this month we included these really fun black and white letters that are just bold and beautiful. You can print them at different sizes. We have these tidbits. We have some circles, which are so good for layering, and circles just look really nice and break up a space. Some postage, and then these really beautiful green other tidbits that we have. Another important aspect of the kit that we like to include are these double pages and an optional journal cover. These are just a really easy way to throw together a quick journal, and these pages can just be decorated with other items in the kit. They match the kit's colors and they're just fun. We have made so many different journals using these double pages, so there's many different ways you can use them, but we just have a lot of fun and they're just a staple. And this one right here is the journal cover. Moving on to our next section, we have ephemera. Ephemera? Ephemera. I don't know why I said it like that. But they are so gorgeous and just include a variety of colors. Some are more neutral, have more designs, and birds, flowers, strawberries, everything good. And then these gorgeous vintage flowers as well. Okay, we are cruising right along. So this next section is kind of tags and similar things. To start off, there are these tag-shaped pockets, which actually end up fitting these file folder tags perfectly. And then there are these tags, which took forever to design, but I love the outcome. Just perfect neutrals. Some fun tags here, just with some different shapes, and then finishing it off with these gorgeous, very pink and bright tags. This next segment is a little bit random because it's hard to fit all of the papers into just a few photos. So we have a few really fun things. These first two pages are actually waterfall flaps, and this page goes for the waterfall flaps, but you can use it to decorate the flaps. This next page is actually just a trifold, so you can fold it into three and then use those other pieces to embellish. And then of course, no kit is complete without a gorgeous set of fussy cuts. We are finally on our last segment, which is envelopes. And I love envelopes. I love to include a big variety and just have a lot of fun with it. So first up, we have some bright colors here, some more light pink and neutral colors here, some tall and skinny coin envelopes, and these very basic envelopes right here. And that concludes my little preview of the 55-page kit, Rosewood Estate. I hope you guys love these colors. I cannot wait to show you what I have been working on and show you some of the ideas and inspiration that I have made from this kit and the tags and the papers and pockets and everything. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and don't forget to go check the kit out if you want it. I'll put more information in the description of this video. And that is it. Thank you guys again for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.